Good afternoon, everybody. 8/4/2019. I have the Philly SOX Index, the chip sector. And when you go back over here, they lead rallies up. They pull back, major breakout, blow off top. The correction started right here, and it was down 5 days in a row. This particular line that you can see here is going to be the real tale of the story. This is going to be the lower major support level. He's already sitting on it right here. That means that these stocks that lead in the chip sector, you got NVIDIA, you've got ABGO, you've got LRCX, you've got a lot of big companies in there doing really well. It's a gauge of the economy. You know, they've always led rallies before the other indexes. They follow it. Other stocks follow it. It's a good gauge of the economy right now. The earnings season, we just got through it, and a lot of them missed, and some of them were just so-so. And the tail of the tale is that this is the blow off top reversal here. Then we had this very narrow support level. So it started right there, and you could see exactly how it came down there. Now, it's very important to know that when we were oversold in this index, we had rallied up and pulled back to a support level, and then we got a nice breakout there, along with the other side of the other indexes following this particular index. So, once again, we're in this area where if we break these key support levels, the leadership stocks will continue to sell down. They pay very well. The cheapest side of the market up here at the blow off top, all the put options for pennies on the dollar, could have made 100% gain out of a lot of them. Because you got to remember, when this index is going down, it's the stocks that's taking the index down. So, you know, we're talking about some pretty big corrections that happened in there. And once again, you get to these very major mathematical what? Imbalances. And so when we were looking at the call side of the market and those leadership stocks in the semis, they really paid a lot. But you know what? They also get overbought. And you can see right here, 5 day reversal down, 1475, sitting right there. We break down here, test the support level where this breakout had happened originally, right up there, right here. That's going to be this one and whatnot. We're going to keep watching this, the intraday action on the leadership stocks. The volatility is here, so volatility works both ways, and it does. And a lot of people don't know how to handle that volatility. They don't even understand, is the option at whatever strike prices they are they overvalued, undervalued, all of it. And there's a lot of money still to be made in this index. And we're going to continue to go lower. But it's a very important thing for you to always remember one thing. This is a gauge of the economy. And it is. When they're doing well, then everybody does well in all different areas of the markets and whatnot. So I'm so happy I could bring this to you today. And, you know, it's very important that you keep your eye on this and whatnot. We're going to get oversold here, and we will have that volatility. It'll work both ways. What used to be the major support levels will become the major new resistance levels. So when they go up and they hit intraday resistance levels and they can't go through it, then that will be definitely a trade that you would want to get some put options on some of the stocks that are here in the index and whatnot. Lots of money to be made. Once again, it's all about you joining our free 5 day trial. Let us show you live. You have nothing to lose and all to gain. There are things that you will learn that you will never learn any other place. We're not retail, and we're not. And we didn't come up in the market as a retail trader like all you other guys and girls. but it really doesn't matter. I'm just here to tell you one thing. This whole rally is at risk, and the volatility is going to get higher, and you're going to have to deal with it. The best way to deal with it is to get into the free 5-day trial program. Info at freeoptiontrader.com. Take advantage of what you can right now with me.